Hey there, have you ever looked at a map of India and wondered why some borders have famous names like the Radcliffe Line, McMahon Line, LOC, and LAC, while others don't? At first, it can be confusing. After all, India shares borders with 7 countries, so why do we keep hearing about only few specific border lines? The answer lies in history, politics, and geography. India shares land borders with Pakistan, China, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Myanmar, and Afghanistan. Most of these borders are settled and internationally accepted, but few have unique stories behind them. Some were created during partition, some emerged from colonial era agreements, and others exist because neighboring countries still disagree about where the border should be. That's why 4 border lines have become especially important: the Radcliffe Line, the McMahon Line, the Line of Control, and the Line of Actual Control. Let's understand them one by one. We'll start with the Radcliffe Line. Think of the Radcliffe Line as the partition line. In 1947, British rule in India came to an end. At the same time, British India was divided into 2 separate countries, India and Pakistan. A new border had to be drawn quickly, and the responsibility was given to the British lawyer named Sir Cyril Ratcliffe. Now, there's the surprising part. He had only few weeks to draw a boundary that would affect millions of people. The line he drew became known as the Ratcliffe Line. It passed mainly through Punjab in the west and Bengal in the east, dividing communities, villages, and even families. Today, it forms most of the internationally recognized borders between India and Pakistan. But this line also led to one of the largest human migrations in history. Millions of people crossed the border to move into the country they believed was safer for them. Unfortunately, the migration was accompanied by widespread violence and sufferings. So, whenever you hear the term Ratcliffe Line, remember one thing: Ratcliffe Line equals partition between India and Pakistan. Now let's move eastward towards the Himalayas and talk about the McMahon Line. If the Radcliffe Line is the partition line, then the McMahon Line is the Arunachal Pradesh dispute line. To understand this, we need to go back to 1914. Representatives of British India, Tibet, and China met at a conference called the Simla Convention. During this meeting, a British diplomat named Henry McMahon proposed a boundary in the eastern Himalayas. That proposed boundary became known as the McMahon Line. Today, it separates Arunachal Pradesh from Tibet. India considers this line to be a legitimate border because Tibet accepted the agreement at that time. China, however, disagrees. It argues that Tibet did not have the authority to sign such an agreement independently, and therefore the line is not valid. Because of this disagreement, China continues to claim large parts of Arunachal Pradesh and often refers to the region as South Tibet. This dispute became one of the major reasons behind 1962 India-China War. So if you want a quick way to remember it, McMahon Line equals Arunachal Pradesh and China border dispute. Next comes the Line of Control, commonly known as the LOC. Many people assume the LOC is an international border. It isn't. The LOC is actually a military control line. When India became independent in 1947, the princely state of Jammu and Kashmir became the subject of dispute between India and Pakistan. This agreement led to the first India-Pakistan War in 1947 to 1948. Fighting stopped, a ceasefire line was created. Each country retained control of the territory it held at the end of the war. Later, under the Simla Agreement of 1972, this ceasefire line was officially renamed the Line of Control. Today, the LOC separates areas administered by India from areas administered by Pakistan in the Kashmir region. The important thing to remember is that LOC is not a final international border. It simply marks the areas controlled by each side. So the easiest way to remember is LOC equals Kashmir Control Line between India and Pakistan. Finally, let's talk about the Line of Actual Control, or LAC. You can think of the LAC as India-China version of a control line. Unlike the Radcliffe Line or many international borders around the world, India and China do not fully agree on where their borders should be. As a result, the Line of Actual Control marks the areas that are currently controlled by each country. The LAC runs through several high-altitude regions, including Ladakh and the disputed area of Aksai Chin. In recent years, the LAC gained worldwide attention because of the clashes between Indian and Chinese troops in the Galwan Valley in 2020. The key idea is simple: LAC equals the current line separating India and Chinese controlled areas. Now let's revise everything in less than 20 seconds. Ratcliffe Line, Partition Line, India and Pakistan. McMahon Line, Arunachal Pradesh and China dispute. LOC, Kashmir Control Line, India and Pakistan. LAC, India China Control Line. That's all for today. Thank you.